I'm Pete Schmitz, Senior Director of Engineering here at the Duravent Group, and I am in our Grand Rapids Innovation Center. One of the things we pride ourselves on here at the Duravent Group is our relationship with our customers. We like to understand how our products are working for them and what are some things that we can do to help improve their experience with our products. One such request was, can we decrease the amount of time it takes to install our 10 and 12-inch B-vent? And we said absolutely. And what I have in front of you is our solution to that problem. So what I have here is our large diameter B-vent. It looks like any large diameter B-vent, except this new version has these lock tabs. What this allows us to do is to line up our lock lances to the embosses, install, and twist to line up the seams. You can press the lock tab to make sure that it doesn't unrotate, and you get a nice solid connection method. Now, if you're on the job site and you are just trial fitting and you want to take things apart, the good news is this disassembles just as easy as it assembles. Allow me to show you this. Again, I line up the lock lances to the embosses and I simply pull it apart. It's just that simple. This product will save you time and money.